Hi, my name is Ruben Gonsalves, Technical Marketing Engineer, Co-op here at Samtech. In a previous video, we highlighted the key features of the 28 gigabit per second FireFly evaluation kit. In this video, we will be demonstrating the kit connectivity and startup. The first step is to connect a FireFly optical or copper cable assembly to the kit as shown in the following video. The 28 gigabit per second FireFly evaluation kit uses the Raspberry Pi, which is a mini computer that enables IP connectivity, which allows the kit to be connected in 3 different ways. 1. Device directly attached to the host PC by an Ethernet cable. 2. Device connected to a local area network by an Ethernet cable. And 3. Device connected to the host PC through the device's Wi-Fi access point. The next step is to determine the unique identifier and the IP address associated with the Raspberry Pi. To do this, we use the Samtech Device Connect application. To launch the Samtech Device Connect application, 1. Allow the Raspberry Pi to fully start up. This takes about 40 seconds. 2. Determine the IP address of the evaluation board using Samtech Device Connect. 3. From the host PC, launch your favorite browser such as Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. And finally 4. In the URL field, enter the IP address. When a FireFly is connected and powered up, the web application will indicate the connection status as shown. This concludes our kit connectivity and startup of the 28 gigabit per second FireFly evaluation kit. In a future video, we will show how to program FireFly's internal control registers through Samtech Device Connect. For more information, please visit samtech.com/kits or email any of our technical experts at kitsandboards@samtech.com. Thank you.